Hey, hi guys, how are you all? Today I am showing you a very tasty recipe called stuffed mushroom duplex. Come, let's start the process. For making this, I am taking a fresh mushrooms of around 350 grams. This I bought from a local supermarket. You can get in vegetable market also. So for cleaning of all these mushrooms, I am taking a bowl and adding 2 to 3 glasses of water into it. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of salt also for better cleaning. So dump all the mushrooms. Clean one by one like how I am showing here. Take a mushroom and scrub slowly, smoothly and clean one by one. Take all the clean mushrooms. Remove the stalks from the mushrooms. Please be careful while removing the stalk. The stalk should not stay in the mushroom cap. These stalks will be used for stuffing. Keep aside for some time. Take all the mushroom caps. Remove the skin of the mushrooms. If you don't want to remove the mushroom skin, it is your call. But I am removing it here because I feel to remove all the skin because it looks so good. Here all the peeled mushrooms are ready to boil. Take 2 glasses of water and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Let water gets boiled. Add all the peeled mushrooms and cook for a minute. Take a strainer and strain the water and keep all the boiled mushrooms aside. Now let's prepare stuffing. Take 1 big onion. Take around 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Take 2 inch of ginger. Here I am taking a chopper to chop it. If you want, you can take blender to blend it coarsely. Repeat the same step for stalks and capsicum. Here I have taken half of the stalks from the mushrooms and medium size of capsicum. Chop it coarsely. Now take a frying pan and add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil get heated. Add chopped onion, garlic and ginger. Saute it for around 2 minutes. Later add chopped stalks and capsicum. Saute it for under 2 minutes. Here you add garam masala, chaat masala, white pepper powder, cumin powder and chili flakes. Mix well. Saute it for under 3 minutes until it gets dry. Add coriander and let it cool down for 10 minutes. Make sure that there is no water into it. Transfer the stuffing into a plate. Now here the stuffing is ready. I am taking 50 grams of mozzarella cheese. Grate and add the cheese and stuffing and mix it well with your hand or otherwise with spoon, whatever it is. It's your wish. Take the stuffing and stuff the boiled mushrooms with the stuffing. Repeat the steps for all the boiled mushrooms. Stuff all the mushrooms. Here all the stuffed mushrooms are ready. Take 2 similar sizes of mushrooms and join together. Pierce it with toothpicks. If it is in bigger size, you can use 2 toothpicks. If it is in smaller size, you can use single toothpick to pierce it. Now all the mushrooms are ready. Now for this we will prepare a batter. For batter preparation, I am taking 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of maida and 1 tablespoon of salt. Add little bit of water to make it into a batter. Mix it well to make it as a smooth batter. The consistency should be like this. Now I am going to prepare a coating mixture. Normally we use breadcrumbs for this coating, but I am trying it out with poha. Poha is very good for health, so that's why I am taking with poha. Take 150 grams of poha into a blender and blend it coarsely. Take the mixture into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. I have already added 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, but I missed to show you. So mix the mixture and keep aside. Now take the mushroom and dip into a batter. Now take the dipped mushroom and coat it well with poha crumbs or breadcrumbs. Coat it nicely like how I am showing here. Repeat all the mushrooms in the similar way. Trust me guys, the recipe will be so nice by using poha also. Take your oil, heat it in a high flame and adjust to low flame while adding mushrooms. Add all the mushrooms one by one. Let it fry until golden brown color. I kept it for 1 minute. Actually I am using poha, that is the reason it is like this. The color is so dull. If you use breadcrumbs, the color looks awesome. It comes in darker brown color. But still, trying with poha also, it is very crunchy and crispy outside, juicy inside because the stuffing is with cheese, right? Even you also try it out and let me know how it comes with poha crumbs. Now the recipe is ready. If you want, you can test it. The outside it will be very crispy and inside it will be very juicy. See how nice it is inside. The process is very lengthy, but the taste is awesome. So try it out and let me know how it came to you. Thank you. Bye bye all.